Hello guys, I'm back again and welcome to my cheap mode. Kaya ako tinawag tong cheap mode dahil wala tayong gagastusin dito, is free. Alright? So, today, mag-experiment tayo. And, papakita ko sa inyo how I created my own baffle to reduce the decibel but it doesn't restrict the performance of the airflow of the Exos. It's kind of like the same aspect of how MagnaFlow created their own baffle. As you can see guys, I don't have any special equipment available. Kung anong meron lang ako, yun lang gagamitin ko. Yung ginawa ko to guys, promise, mas maganda siyang humatak compared sa walang silencer and sa stock silencer. Dahil di siya sakal. Dahil yung baffle na ginawa ko ay butas-butas siya. Doon dumalabas din yung extra hangin pero napipilter out siya. Dahil doon, nababawasan yung decibel ng tunog ng muffler nyo. So guys, enjoy my video, alright? And guys, make sure you have this wire inserted so para di siya ma-spit out ng exhaust. Parang lock niya na, ganun. Okay guys, thanks for watching and make sure you don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting video to come. Peace!